All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a screenshot and to make it small enough that it's compressed and that you can use it on this thumbnail. You have to have it under 2 megabytes. So this is a quick way that YouTubers can create thumbnails without having to go through a bunch of rigmarole on compressing a large photo. So what I do is I come to the video that I shot and I open it up. And then I find the area of the video. First I open it up, it's large here. I find the area of the video that I think would be most representative of the of the uh, of the video itself, so that I can get a great shot. Like maybe this one here would be cool, right? See me flying through the air and crashing. Or maybe this might be kind of a good shot here, right? So let's use that one. Now, for us to compress it, what we have to do is we got to shrink this window that we've opened in QuickTime. The way you do it is you take your cursor right here, you bring it to the corner, and then it gives you that little double arrow sign that tells you that you can pull it with your mouse. You pull your mouse on an angle down until you get it to about that size. I'm going to pull this up so you can see it. So it's about the size of this window over here, but it's the right aspect ratio, which is cool. Now, to do the screenshot, this nice small screenshot, what you're going to do is you're going to take your finger, you're going to push down on the Shift key, the Command key, and the 4 key all at once, and you can see how it makes that little target. Then I'm going to lift up, the target stays there. Now, what I've got to do is I've got to find a spot in the photo, which is this corner. I'm going to put the target right there. And then I'm going to press down on my mouse. And what's going to happen is it's going to create a rectangular box. And I'm going to pull my mouse across this picture until I get to the other corner. You see how it went all the way over there? And then if I'm satisfied with that, what I'm going to do is just lift up my mouse and it's going to make a clicking noise and it's going to save that as a screenshot. And you can see it down here at the bottom of my screen. It kind of comes up and then it's going to disappear. And then I got to find it over here. It just popped up over here. So I'm going to pull it over. You can see it's highlighted right now. But if I click on my space bar, if I click on my mouse, it'll unhighlight it. I'm going to on an open field on my screen, on my desktop. Now, if I click on it here, now it highlights it. And you can see it bounce back and forth here. Now, if I click my space bar, it's going to pop up and you can see it. All right, it's already there, but see, like that. So I'm clicking my space bar, I'm clicking my space bar. So that looks pretty cool, and I think that's going to work. All right, now I just go over here, and I'm going to click on the thumbnail, and it's going to bring up this box. And I'm going to pull this over a little bit. And I'm just going to go down to the screenshots at the bottom, and it's usually the last one, and there it is. So now I can select that screenshot, which is already compressed. And if you want to look, it's a PNG image. It's 646 kilobytes, or whatever that means, which is much smaller than 2 megabytes. So that thing's going to fit in there perfect. And so if I go ahead and click choose for upload, it's going to upload it into that thumbnail area. So let's do that now. Bam, there it is. And you can see it up here. Now what we have to do is save it. And then you can see it says changes saved. And if I click here, there's my thumbnail right there. It's on my content page. And now it's representative of what this video it is. Surfing shore break at Delray Beach. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos when I show you how to do shortcuts for YouTube. Peace out.